A chuirde beidir gur thula sib faoi Jolly Phonics I méarla, siodagaí Jolly Phonics in Gaeilge. So here we have some phonics that we're going to talk through, some vowel combinations, and to help you really improve your pronunciation. So I have made a part 1 to this video. Here I'm going to discuss a few more vowel combinations. So the first vowel combination we see there is the E and the A, sounding like an A, as in apple, and I've written a few words to go through. So we have das, tas, class, mass, ass. So ass and sha, so ass, waterfall. Okay, ass, mass. So mata massagut rinne, so respect, mass. As, tas, heat, so as, tas. Agus an fochel sha as, das. Nice. Okay, moving on to the next vowel combination that we see here is the A, O and I vowel combination, which sounds like E. Okay, so on here the first word there, E, by itself actually means guest. Obviously we see chuid, so céin chuid a bhfuil tú. Si, so si, which means like a wise person. Okay, Ife, okay, antanim, the name. And then the number 9 we have here, ni, okay. Okay. The E-O vowel combination, that sounds like O, okay? So we have bio, o, live, so kyo bio mar hampla, live music. Kyo, so fog, kyo. Kjol, music, kjol. Fjol, so we have the o-l. Okay, meat. Agus an tanim sha, this name, O-in. Okay, O-in. Okay. This last vowel combination here, E-I, sounding like an E. Okay, so we have eshin. So ta eshin cearcolor. He is okay. Ta eshin cearcolor. Creds. So creds. So creds. To believe. Esht. So we see the kesht, so that sound in the middle, kesht, question. Etse would be like a wing. Etse. Agus an sin zere, end, the end of something. Zere on scale mar hampla. Okay, so we have EA sounding like A, EOI sounding like E, E-O sounding like O, and E-I sounding like E. Mátá sibh gíre níos mó Gaeilge ólam leanaí mar na man shóisialta agus feicim as a géidir sinna sibh chuirde, slán go fólaí.